What's up everyone? This is Elijah with the app Lifestyle, and in this video we're going to be showing exactly how to report police on the Waze app. Obviously it's very nice to do your part in terms of community service, in my opinion. If you do know the cops are around the corner at a particular place when you're using the Waze app, it helps other users just be aware, and obviously if they are doing the same, you'll be able to see when they're coming too. So you want to start by opening up the Waze app. And I'm just going to pick a generic address that I'll be heading towards. And then you'll see a little orange chat-like icon on the screen. You want to click on that. And then you'll see an icon that says police. Click on that. And you have three options. One that shows visible, the other says hidden, and the other one is on the other side. So whichever one that you can accurately depict, you want to go ahead and hit it. Now, if you don't hit it soon enough, the icon will go back to the map and it'll appear in the top left-hand corner, just so you can keep heading towards your destination. You can pull it back up by clicking on the cop icon, and then you can pick from there. Once you're ready, you just hit the word send, and boom, cop has been reported. So when someone is coming to that area, they know that a cop is in the vicinity, so they can know to slow down if they happen to be speeding. That does it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I come out with another app tutorial. Catch you on the next video.